talking about health and aging today. It happens. Specifically, the health of our skin, which really takes a lot of wear and tear.
It sure does, and good skincare can actually make us look younger than we really are. That's why the Bengtson Center for Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery offers people so many options.
Today we are talking about ways you can look and feel great that don't involve surgery. And lucky me, I was able to experience one of them. We all want to look our very best, and a lot of that involves taking great care of our skin. And today we have more options than we have ever had before. We are at the Bengtson Center for Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery. We're talking with Dr. Bradley Bengtson about those options, and really, things have changed a lot.
Very dramatically, yeah. We really look at the face three-dimensionally now. So one of my professors used to say if our face was like a bed, if you have the mattress that's kind of rumpled and wrinkled, then we need to do surgery to smooth that out. But what the bed sheets and the comforters look like really dramatically is what the bed looks like. So if you take that analogy to the face or the body or the skin, we really look at the patient much more three-dimensionally now, looking specifically at the skin, and then some wrinkle lines, some non-injectables, and facial fillers, Botox, those sorts of things, as well as laser treatments. And then also we provide, obviously, the surgical aspects as well.
Which means also a lot of patients are coming to you earlier than they used to.
That's true.
And it's great. It all starts here. You've got this beautiful skincare bar right here at your center.
Yeah, we have this new Transform Skincare Center, and we offer a wide variety of brand new products, procedures and things that are kind of exclusive to the area and region, and we've really kind of researched things well.
What are some of them?
A wide variety of different products. We offer Aura as an exclusive provider of Aura Cosmetics, and that with Design One, our partner, and also different types of product lines like DermaQuest and Avene, some different products that aren't widely available.
But you can use daily to keep yourself looking beautiful, right? And healthy as well. And then I understand there is another step from here. You're actually alluded injectables.
Right.
I'm excited because I get to be a patient today.
Right. You should be excited.
Let's get into that area.
Yeah, sounds good.
So now we're in an esthetician and laser room, and Dr. Bengtson, this looks like a pretty high-tech piece of equipment.
It is, very, very high-tech. Yeah, it does a lot. We really like this Palomar system. It's a great laser platform. Does a lot of different things. The things we like to focus on today is the laser resurfacing. So it's kind of the biggest procedure that you can have non-surgical wise. We're going to talk about Botox fillers, some other non-surgical things, but it really basically totally resurfaces the face. It's really shortened the treatment time from some older technology that we used to use for laser resurfacing, but really tightens the skin, takes care of fine wrinkling, pores, pigment irregularities, those sorts of things. So I think we're going to show some very dramatic before and after photos of that.
Very, very nice. I can see the difference dramatically. Lines, just skin condition.
Yeah.
Incredible. So Dr. Bengtson, what are some of the other non-surgical options that you have?
Yeah, so along with the laser that we just covered, Botox and fillers, particularly Juvederm is the main filler that we use, are really the kind of the mainstay of the non-surgical procedures and different techniques that we offer.
Okay.
So,
I'm getting Botox.
Yeah, so you're
I'm
going to
very
experience
excited.
that today. Yeah.
So
nervous,
how does that start? You basically talk with the patient about their own skin condition and their needs,
So patients will come in with varying concerns. When it comes to Botox, it's really good for very dynamic lines, so lines at motion. Fillers are really more for lines at rest, and so if we were just to examine you real briefly, if you can kind of grimace for me a little bit. So these corrugator muscles that are actually a little bit more laterally located out on the forehead create these lines and kind of make us look angry or sad.
Yeah, we don't want that.
Sorts of things. It's the opposite of what we want. And then the facial fillers are really good for lines that are present at rest. So nasolabial folds, skin crease, just like my wife, you have a really deep chin crease right there. So those are really good for fillers. So lines at rest, you should really think about a facial filler. What we're going to experience today is Botox.
Yes. Okay. So I know there are totally safe a lot of concerns because I know Botox is actually extremely popular, and it's something that you do quite a bit here.
Yes, so millions and millions of injections of Botox Cosmetic yearly. We have one of the fastest growing practices in injectables. I'm one of the 2 plastic surgeons that are actually physician trainers for Botox and fillers in Michigan, so we just do thousands of injections, very, very actively involved in that. So it's a real integral part of our practice.
Yeah, and I know getting more and more popular all the time. Of course, everyone's interested in looking their best, taking care of their skin. As I said, you have many options here at the Bengtson Center for Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery. Check it out.
So,
What do you think, Laura?
So I'm thinking the whole time, I'm like, so did that hurt?
I felt it definitely when the needle was put in, and he made basically a little diamond, like right here, like that, right there, because of my frown lines. And I felt it, but it didn't hurt.
Okay.
You know, it was like a little bit of
Just more conscious of it than anything
I mean,
else.
it definitely wasn't a totally pain-free, but it wasn't extreme pain at all. Have a pretty good threshold, and I don't think it would bother most people. So.
Okay. And now, what about like the rest of the day? Does it show? Does it take a couple?
It looked like there was a mosquito bite where he had put the needle in, and then it basically just went away. 10 minutes later, I was walking around. I left the office minutes later. I'm feeling
Quick recovery.
good. Yeah,
Just
actually,
bounce right
we did this actually last week, and so I feel like it's already taken effect, and those lines are gone, and so definitely interesting. It was something I didn't, I wanted to try. I thought would be kind of neat, and so when he offered, we're like, well, this is neat, And so if anybody has any questions, please just ask, because sometimes I know it's a little bit easier to know somebody that's actually tried something before you do it, if it's something that you're interested in. And I feel, like I said, those lines are gone. They can make you look mad. They can make you look older, a little bit
I can
angry.
imagine Rachel looking mad.
I like to smile a lot. And these ones
That
haven't
helps, too.
totally started yet. He's like, you're not yet there where you need them on the side, but we did find a spot where we could do a little bit of improvement there. And Dr. Bengtson is so nice. I felt very comfortable with him because he is such an accomplished doctor and surgeon.
He seems like,
so I felt very comfortable going to him to have this done because I knew he'd do a great job.
very nice, very confident. And you would recommend this?
Yes, definitely, definitely. So if you are thinking about it, we've got these specials that we want to tell folks about.
Yeah, that's right. Because summer is sizzling, right?
Yes.
Not only in terms of the heat, but also specials. And here are some of the deals that they're actually running. So if you buy Botox, you can get a $50 instant rebate with the minimum purchase of 20 units.
Yes, and with Juvederm, we didn't do the Juvederm on me, but Juvederm is kind of like the filler that goes around people's mouth. You'll get $50 off your first syringe, $100 off your second, and $110 off your third. And you can also get $25 off one silk peel facial. Now that's a facial that exfoliates and decongests the skin. So that's
now that
good
sounds
for anybody.
nice.
Yeah, it sure
That
does.
sounds pretty good. The Bengtson Center for Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery, there is their information, 555 Midtown Suite 110, Grand Rapids, and there's their phone number, of course, their website, www.bengtsoncenter.com.
And they're located in the beautiful Women's Health Center on Michigan Street in the Medical Mile. So definitely worth checking out.